Responsibilities. Clothes in the hamper piling up like snow. Need clean shirts, gotta wash them, don't you know? Dishes in the sink, crusty from last night. Need clean cutlery just to take a bite. Chopping, stirring, cooking, cleaning all again. Laundry spinning, cycle never ends. I swear tomorrow I'll break free and run, but the to-do list laughs, says ain't done, son. All I wanna do is beach walk, feet in the sand. Swim in the ocean, sunbathe till I'm tan. Coffee in my hand, coconut in the air. That sweet sticky smell, without a single care. But life says, nah, I got other plans for me. Gotta work, need money. Responsibilities. Now the sky turned gray, pouring rain on the pane. Summer's gone packing, winter's here to stay. No more golden hours, just cold wind and wet feet. My flip-flops are lonely, staring at concrete. Coconut lotion still sitting on the shelf, mocking me softly, like it knows itself. All I wanna do is beach walk, but the rain won't stop. Swim in the ocean, it's freezing on time. Coffee in my hand, coconut in my mind. Dreaming of summer while the real world grinds. Yeah, I'll make the plans, but the world intervenes. One day I'll get there, in my wet weather dreams. Fridge empty, clothes dirty, dishes waiting. But damn, that coconut smell is still worth chasing.